It is safe to say that this sensational and spectacular home on Spokane will satisfy all your needs. Come see it.
Charming and very well maintained like new home in City View. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has a very welcoming, unique, and open floor plan layout with tons of space. Beautiful kitchen with lots of cabinets and counter space, as well as an amazing island with storage underneath. Wonderful and large living area, great for entertaining. Enjoy the cold winter nights cuddled up to the wood-burning fireplace. Isolated owner suite with a separate tub and shower, as well as double vanities. This beauty is located on a corner lot and is a must-see home.
You will speak about Spokane. It is stylish and it is spacious. Don't be shy. Let me show it to you. Call me. Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.